Most people are updating their resume the hard way by rewriting the prompt and uploading their resume every time. In this video, we're going to build a custom GPT. First, note that I am using a paid subscription. Custom GPTs are not available on the free version. If you do not see the GPTs section on the left, then click More and then select GPTs. You can see there are many GPTs provided for various tasks, but we are going to the top right to click Create and make our own. You can configure all of it manually. Or if you click Create, you can use the AI Builder to help you get started. I am going to paste in my instructions. These are available in the notes below the video if you're following along. I press Enter, and it generates a starting point. On the right side is where I will continuously see a preview. I see it provided a suggested description and prompts. I can continue here and let it guide me step by step. But this already provides a strong baseline. Now I click Configure. Here is where you customize everything. I will give the GPT a name. And I can review the instructions it created. I also see the conversation starters, which we also saw on the right. I can remove anything I do not want. I can also add my own. Now for the critical step. I will upload my resume. Note that this is a version of my resume with all personal and confidential information removed. Now it will always use this resume as context every time I use this GPT. You can add more files if needed, but I am keeping it simple here. But I'm going to go to the top right to click Create. It will prompt me to share it, but this is my personal resume. So I'm going to select Only Me and then click Save. I see it has saved and I will click View GPT to start using the GPT right away. In the background, I see the GPT, but I still have to click the X to close this window. On the left navigation, you can now see the GPT is available. Now, instead of starting from scratch, watch this. I paste in a job description. Press Enter. It immediately evaluates the resume I had uploaded against the role I pasted. Now I can keep iterating in this same chat for this specific role. Note that this chat has been added to my recent history on the left. Each time I use this GPT to evaluate another job description, it will create a new chat. Continue to explore the other videos in the Job Search playlist and AI Memory playlist, or visit our website for more resources on learning AI.